Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Muse symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Muse symbol on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, if you're just clicking on the icon and going inside the insert option, you can't find the insert symbol option. Instead of that, I just using my keyboard, so you can just use this Google keyboard or keyboard. You can just download from the Play Store. You can use this keyboard as an alternative for inserting the symbol. So here I just want to insert the Muse symbol. Just double tap on that, on where you just open the keyboard. Now click on this number section first. Okay. Now you just need to click on the symbol section again, but you can't find the Muse symbol here because it's a hidden symbol. So you just need to long press on the pi symbol, so you have this pop-up. So just swipe this side and just insert the Muse symbol on your presentation. This is how you just insert the Muse symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. After inserting, just click on it and you just resize the text size if you just need it, like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.